Good afternoon, Mike Perkins here at Guaranty RV. My cell phone number is 541-554-2913. My email is mike.perkins@guaranty.com. So I have a very rare Mercedes Sprinter. I've got a 2018 Tiffin Wayfarer 24BW. This has the full queen bed with the slide out in the back. It has the couch in it. This is fully loaded, full body paint, alloy wheels. 11,500 miles on this coach. I took this in on trade. This is a one-owner coach, very meticulously maintained, brand new tires all the way around, all the service records. As you guys know, the Mercedes Sprinters do not sit on our lots for very long, so if you're interested in this, give me a call. Again, Mike Perkins, 541-554-2913, mike.perkins@guaranty.com. Have a nice day.